Dozer, you can do it. Maybe he's already peeing. We barely get our door open. And Daddy running with Dozer. Uh-oh, there's another dog out. I'm sure Dozer will freak out any time. So happy none of these trees came down. Those are more than happy to come in. Me too, I do not want a shovel. Come on, Dozer! Come on! Come on! Are you hungry? Want some breakfast? Good boy! Come on! Come on! Good boy, you can do it! Come on, old man! Good boy. Let's go inside. You want to play more? You just want to eat breakfast out here? What are you doing? Your head's in the snow. What is he doing? Are you oh, there he is. Come on, Dozer. Let's go in. Nope. Oh. Come on, bud. What is he doing? Dozer, my hands are cold. Weirdo. Dozer, where's your head? What? Dozer, you can't go in anymore. Oh my God.
Dozer.
Dozer, come on. Want a treat? Dozer, who's here?
Who's here?